Have you ever wondered how electricity flows in one direction but not the other? That's the magic of a diode, one of the simplest yet most important electronic components. A diode is a semiconductor device that allows current to pass in only one direction, acting like a one-way valve for electricity. A diode is made from two semiconductor materials, p-type and n-type, joined together to form a p-n junction. When forward biased, current flows easily, but when reverse biased, it blocks current, preventing flow. The two key regions are the depletion region and the junction barrier. In forward bias, the depletion region shrinks, allowing current to pass. In reverse biased, the depletion region widens, blocking current flow. There are several types of diodes: rectifier diodes, Zener diodes for voltage regulation, LEDs that emit light, and photodiodes that detect light. Diodes are used in rectifiers to convert AC to DC, in voltage protection circuits, in signal demodulation, and even in everyday gadgets like phone chargers and LED lights. Advantages of diodes include simplicity, reliability, and efficiency in controlling current. However, they can't handle extremely high power and have limitations in reverse voltage. So in summary, the diode is a small but mighty device, controlling the direction of current, protecting circuits, and powering modern electronics. Without it, our electronic world simply wouldn't function.